Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Shirley.
And it is day 40 of our 180-day around-the-world cruise.
40 whole days, wow.
I bet you can't guess where we are today.
Gee, I bet if they used their imagination, they could guess.
We're in Sydney, Australia. Just come under the bridge.
Yeah.
And what are we doing today, Shirley?
Today we're going sailing on a tall ship. And then this evening we're going to a very special restaurant that we've been trying to get into for 4 years called Fire Door.
Oh my God, I can't wait. It's been so hard to get a reservation, but we got very lucky at the last minute.
We did. And Fire Door has a huge reputation. And guess what? We're going to take you along with us tonight.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So 200 years after that first fleet of 11 ships and 1,500 convicts, sailors and soldiers alone, there were some historians who recreated that journey, sailed 8 months at sea with this ship amongst them. And so Captain Harbour at the wheel there is one of very few people in the modern era who can tell you what it was like to be on an 8-month sea voyage with the tall ship's lead. With some gusto, your sailors now. What's on the vessel?
Life jackets!
Life jackets, very good. If we got... somebody, but otherwise it's a signal. Which means we are in fact underway. Swans away!
Walking down Paradise Street, way, hey, blow the man down. A smart looking packet I chanced for to meet. Give me some time to blow the man down. Blow the man down, please, blow the man down. Way,
Straight
hey,
forward.
blow the man down. Blow him right back into Liverpool town. Give me some time to blow the man down.
It was 1922 in Denmark. Baltic trader used to carry cargo right up until 1969. He was a schooner rig, so a three-masted schooner. He had a small auxiliary engine, so he was built with a small engine.
She rises early in the morning, putting in the longboat until he's sober, putting in the longboat until he's sober, putting in the longboat until he's sober, early in the morning. Way, hey, and up she rises, way, hey, and up she rises, way, hey, and up she rises early in the